Hello, I'm Susan Guthrie from Divorce in a Better Way. I am America's Divorce Innovation Specialist and I am an online mediation expert. My videos are intended to give you the benefit of my 30 years of practice as a top divorce mediator and litigator over the years. And today I want to talk about what I have found to be one of the biggest misconceptions or misunderstandings about the role of your mediator in divorce mediation. So many people come to me as a divorce mediator and they sit down in my office or with my current practice in my virtual office because my entire practice is done online these days. But the people come to mediation, they sit down and they think or believe that they are going to tell me their positions, they're going to tell me the facts that support their positions, and that I then, as their mediator, am going to tell them what to do. And that probably sounds familiar to you all because that is the model that you're going to find if you go sit in a courtroom and go through the litigation process. That is a model that is set up on party A going in, advocating their position, telling the facts in a manner that supports that position, and then asking for relief in accordance with that position. And then the other side does the same. Also, part of that is tearing down the other side's position, which is part of that adversarial process. But in mediation, it's just the exact opposite process. In mediation, the parties come into the room, they discuss with each other their positions, the facts that support their positions, and then their mediator gives them certain tools. The first tool is the mediator will give them some factual law around the issues that they're talking about. As an example, if what you are talking about is the issue of support, alimony, child support, the mediator is going to give you the general understanding of the law around that topic so that the two of you can assess the law in keeping with the facts of your case. Your mediator is going to be there to support both of you and to facilitate your conversation, because these are sometimes difficult conversations. Often you will have different ideas as to what is fair. And the mediator's role is a guide to help you come up with solutions and answers and agreements that work for both of you. But here's the big difference. In the end, the mediator does not make any decisions. Only you and your spouse make the decisions. So in mediation, you have 100% control. Your mediator is there as a support person, as a professional to help you through the process with aspects of the process that you would not normally in your day-to-day life know. And even if you did, when you are in the emotional moment of discussing these topics, no matter what you know, you need help having these conversations in most cases. So the misunderstanding that I find that most people have is that they think they're going to come to the mediation and have kind of a mini trial. They're going to come in, they're going to tell me as their mediator all the facts that support their position, and that I'm then going to tell, this is how they usually say it, I'm going to tell the other person they should do what you want. That is not the process. And in the end, that is not the process that you want, in my belief, because someone telling you what to do ends up with a result that you did not have buy-in into, that you did not participate in creating. Someone else took your facts, took your words, and they came up with what you're going to do. A resolution that is going to last and that is going to work for you, your soon-to-be ex, and your family, if you have children, is going to be one that you work together to craft, that meets as many of the possible wants, needs, cares, and concerns of each of you. So the biggest misunderstanding about mediation actually highlights one of the biggest benefits of mediation, and that is that you and your soon-to-be ex are going to be the ones to make all of the decisions. So I hope that clears up that misunderstanding for you. Please tune in to my other videos to get some more helpful tips and innovations to help you to divorce in a better way.